Hi all, it's Kelly here, and I just have a real short video here, and I wanted to show you some things that I put together for Christmas decor. But I didn't make a video of how I put it together, but if you want me to do that, just let me know and I'll share that with you. But let me show you what I did. One of the first things is this, and it's like an old milk bottle. I got it from Hobby Lobby, and what I did is I just sprayed it with like a frosted paint, and it actually kind of comes off really easily. And then I just made a snowman that looks like it's looking up at stars. I'm going to turn the light off here in a minute so that you'll kind of see that. And so it kind of looks like he's looking at stars. Where I put some lights in the bottle. And then the next thing is something I've wanted to do the last couple of years, is to make this snowman with the fish bowls. And I wish I would have put some lights in it, but I just put like little scenes like here. I've got some carolers, and then I just fit another one inside there. And that one is like a little coffee shop. And then I just put some of that fake snow in there. And then of course he's just made out of styrofoam. And I had a bunch of fake vegetables and fruits. So I had a carrot. And then I had some coal for the two eyes. I had this pen that I found at, I think it was like Goodwill. So I took a little piece of ribbon and made him a scarf and pinned it. And then I found that hat at Hobby Lobby. And so the next thing, I found another glass thing. And I found this at Goodwill, and it was a couple of dollars. And so I decided to make my own little snow globe. So I took one of those glass squares, frosted it, I've got some ribbon and a little decoration on it, and turn that, which actually it's like a light globe for a light in a house. And then I put my snowman in there, and he also is lit up. I took my lantern and I strategically placed some bulbs hanging from the top, or the inside top, and put some light. And so I think that looks really pretty, especially when the lights are off. Which, let me come back here and show you things that I made this year. I've got a couple more projects here I'm working on. For example, and don't pay any attention to the stuff around it, but my husband, who's been working in his wood shop, he made me a tree, and I'm going to do something with that, and then like a little bench. I've been looking for like a little Santa Claus or something to put that, have sitting on that. And I've got a project over here where I've been taking some paper, and I found this at Hobby Lobby for a couple of dollars. It's kind of made out of cardboard, and I just cut like a 2x2 and then cut like a swirl out of it, and then twist it up, and I'm creating these little like flower looking things, and then I'm going to kind of glue them, and I'll show you that when I get it finished. I have this, and I don't have any ideas for that just yet, so, but let me turn the light off so you can see this. See, there's my snowman who's looking up at, and those lights look like they kind of dim and get bright, and so I didn't know they did that. That one, of course, like I said, I don't have any lights in that, but that's okay. And then my little snow globe. also blink. Yeah, they do. And then my lantern. So anyways, I wanted to share those with you. If you if you want me to share with you how I put those together, just let me know. I'd be glad to do that. And I will see you soon. I have my house tour coming up, so in the next couple of days, within the week, and so just keep an eye out for that. All right, well, thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.